A very good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Cars Live. Your Shiraj. First of all, Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Hope you celebrate and bring peace and prosperity to entire country. Today, bring a very good deal on a great Italian beast, which is the Fiat Punto Emotion 1.2 liter petrol fired to L4 engine. It's a 2010 model, second owner, white color beast. Come loaded with features like power steering, power windows, AC, electronic mirror adjustment, leather interiors, central locking, 5-speed manual gearbox, leather interiors, AC, CD player, music system, aux, USB, and many more features loaded onto it. A beautiful car with good tires and new insurance till next year, Jan 2021. Basically, not a single rupee to be spent on this beautiful petrol engine. Gives a nice 96 Nm of torque speed at just 2500 RPM and comes a 5-star NCAP crashes rating. This is the safest car you can get in India for a hatchback at this price of just 2,45,000 only. A 2010 model Fiat Punto Emotion petrol variant. Let's have a look at the entire review of the car. Bodyline explanation, interior analysis, mechanical will all be explained. Like I said, folks, this is a beautiful Italian beast, the Fiat Punto Emotion, fully loaded variant, pearl white in color, beautiful and sexy body line. As you can see, there are no scratches, nothing. The entire car had about a lot of scratches and dents. I've removed it. I've done some touch-up paint over there and I've removed it. Only running board is dented, that's it. But entire car is just beautiful on it. Absolutely spotless, crisp, and looks almost brand new. As you can see, very neat in condition. It's a petrol edition, a good Italian beast, a good low budget car with back wiper, fog lamps, beautiful interior and exteriors, very neat in condition. As you can see, even the tires are all good. Very neat, excellent maintained. See the entire body line. It's quite gorgeous car. In the fog lamps, and take it through the interiors. You can see car come loaded. Entire body line is all genuine. All doors, company cylinders all intact. No accidents here. Even the C pillars, A pillar is all genuine, and B pillar is also all genuine there. No accidents, nothing. Even the backside doors, as you can see, all touch-up paint done on the car. Like I said, just to avoid scratch and dents. But all doors are all genuine and original in condition, with double sealing intact. Even the C pillar is all genuine here. No accidents, nothing. Very neat. The petrol edition. Back boot space also it's all genuine there. It's an Emotion edition variant. Fiat Punto. Back wipers. Let me open the boot door. Strong body line, strong boot space, very neat. 200 liter boot space right there. All the joints are all in genuine and in original condition there. No accidents, nothing. In the back boot space also you have a tray, and spare tire also is all good condition. Spare tire, no accident, nothing. Will all chassis number will all mentioned there. As you can see, it is made in Italy. Fiat Automobiles. It's an Italian beast, Italian body line. Very neat. A strong and excellent body line. We get a good crash test rating, the NCAP global crash rating. As you can see that crash test there. This car Fiat comes with 5-star crash test rating, almost equivalent to the Volkswagen and the Skoda League. So that's the league category that the Fiat Punto comes with. A beautiful hatchback, strong, reliable, and most safest car that you can get in Italian beast. Bonnet. All the tires, like I said, all are in good condition right there. Your back seats too, back door is all genuine. No accidents, nothing there. Only touch-up paint done. Back side also nice, neat leather interiors. At the back, even the front side left door. It's all genuine, no accidents, nothing. Nice clean leather interiors. You can see even at the back, on the front side on the engine, under the hood, can see the aprons, all the right side apron, company seal can is all intact on the right side aprons, no accident, nothing. Headlight support, everything is all in genuine, no accidents. Lower cross members, upper cross members, you can see down there, it's all genuine, no accidents there. Even on the left side aprons is all genuine here. Caterpillars, everything is all genuine. The bonnet hood is also in genuine condition, no accidents. All the entire body line is all genuine with all company serial number, chassis number, everything all visible on the car. Coming back to the engine, the 1.2 liter, to be precise, this is 1174 cc petrol Fire L4 petrol engine. It's called as Fire engine. This comes in three variants. It comes with a 1 liter engine, 1.2 liter engine, and it also comes with a 1.3 liter engine as well, and then the diesel engines too. But the petrol for 2010 model Emotion 1.2 liter is the best in the Fire engines, which is called the Italian made, the Fiat. Everything is Italian, all the spare parts, everything is all Italian here. The entire bottle line, the engine, everything, as you can see right there, it's all Italian beast. It's a sealed engine, driven just 66,000 kilometers on record, very well maintained. Battery is also in fairly in good condition, no acid reflux, nothing found on the battery as well. Very good and neat again. You can see it's all mentioned in Italian here. You still have the Italian Fiat wheel caps as well. Coming back on the front, accessories, you have the features of all 4 doors, power windows, electronic mirror adjustment, ORVM, leather interiors, seat height adjustments at the front, and at the back also you have all power window at the back side and leather interiors, and the seats can be folded as well, can be separately a single fold and double fold. If you want more luggage space, can be done on folding the seats too. No more features. Let me just turn it on. As you can see, car is driven about 66,000 kilometers right there. So warning indicators, AC controls, CD player with aux and USB output, dual dashboard, cool glove box compartments, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. It tells you your date and everything. Timer has to be set, and outside degree temperature control modes. So folks, a 2010 model Fiat Punto 1.2 liter petrol Emotion variant, second owner, driven 66,000 kilometers on record. It has insurance till January 2021. All good tires are about 70 to 80% in life left. So basically not a single rupee to spend. The entire car is accident free car, but touch-up paint has been done just to avoid scratches and dents only. Only in running board has the scratch, that's it. But overall the entire car is beautiful, spotless, no accident, no scratches, nothing visible. It looks like almost it's in brand new condition. A good safe car, a safest car you can get in city and long drives also you can drive. It has 5-star ratings, Italian beast, all for a price of just 2,45,000 only. For loans, you cannot get a bank loan on used car on this. All you can go for a personal loan, and you can get a personal loan directly from a bank itself. Up to 2 lakh loan, probably 2.5 lakh loan, you can get 100% loan from a personal banking too. So my number is mentioned on the post. Take your phone and do give me a call. Come down to my showroom, very close by to JP Nagar 3rd phase, close by to Bangalore Central Mall. Come down, take a test drive, have a look at it. It's just beautiful and gorgeous. So the price is 2,45,000, slightly negotiable. You also get 1 year warranty. The warranty covers on engine, gearbox and clutch. Exclusively available only at Cars Live only. So come down to my showroom, take a test drive, fall in love with this car, and be a proud owner of an Italian beast, the Fiat Punto 2010 model, 2,45,000 only. Thank you for watching Cars Live. Don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook too. Thank you, and don't forget to share it also. Jai Hind and happy Independence Day. Vande Mataram.